What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Adonis. We're here today with another video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the last content that I produced and I posted, and today I'm gonna have another how-to for you guys. It's basically gonna involve your clutch pedal, which is gonna be your K-tuned, if it can focus, slave cylinder. This is from K-tune. This is basically from a K series. Don't worry, it's gonna work. It's gonna fit. I already test fitted it. But the only issue is that you see that line right there. I had to go buy that. I had this for a while now, for a couple months now. But the only reason I never put it on is because I don't have that line. And I finally got it today. I bought it. I went to Tri-State Motorsports. Bought the line, clutch line. K-tuned as well. We'll install that. Put this piece into this, and then connect this into the clutch master cylinder, and we should be good to go. Hopefully have no trouble going into gear, because I'm having trouble to go into first sometimes and sometimes going into reverse, but mainly going into reverse. So hopefully this will fix the issue. If not, then there's only one more thing that I can do, and that'll be a separate video. If this doesn't work, then I'll make that video, but we're gonna see. So this is what I'm gonna install right now. So it's gonna be this. Now let's get to it. So once you open up your hood, what you're gonna want to do is remove your battery. I already removed it. It's not that hard or difficult to remove. You're gonna have the two terminals. They're gonna be size 10s, and then you're gonna have the two 10s in the bracket, which is basically that under there. 10s for that. Loosen that, twist it to the side, it'll come off. Then after you remove the battery out, you're gonna have 3 bolts right here. 1, 2, 3 bolts. That's going to be holding this bracket. Take that out, and then you'll be able to remove that, and then you'll be able to here, the same spot that I am in. So now basically what we're going to want to do, if I get some light in here, let me get some light. It's probably a little better now with some light, but over there you probably can't see it, but that's one of the clutch lines. It's connected to the clutch master cylinder, which is the pedal, which is the clutch pedal. You're going to remove that. I think that's a size 10 wrench. And then over here, down there, you can see your slave cylinder is there. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it is down there. It's another size, some 10. So we need to take both those out in order to connect the new line, which I have over here. Connect this new line. And then we'll be good to go. So next thing you want to do, you see that the brake master cylinder, there's 2 screws. They're 13s. One goes there and one goes down there. Sorry about the lighting, but I don't have good lighting right now. Pull that to the side real quick, like there, like that. And now that gives me room to go to the clutch. There's better lighting right now. See the clutch master cylinder is back there, behind there. So now that we have better room to go behind there, we need a size 10 to loosen that line. Then we go over here, follow that line. There's gonna be another bolt right there holding that clutch line into the wall of the car. Take that out, size 10. Then right down there you're gonna have our slave cylinder. See it? There's another line there that we gotta take out, and then that's it. We're good to go. Take that line out, put the new one. Don't know if you guys see that right now, but I got a pliers holding one side of the slave cylinder line, and then we're gonna go with the 10 next to it to loosen this. I'm gonna need 2 hands though. So basically I got this, as you can see. I got the line off over there. You guys can barely see it. Man, it's hard to get a good angle. Don't know. The lighting in here sucks, but anyways, I don't know if you guys can see that. But the clutch line is off. Over here as well, the clutch line is loose. Got it dangling right there. Just gonna pull it off down. It's right there hanging. Take it off and then put the other one. So I put the adapter on over there. Don't know if you guys can see that. Just gotta tighten it. The adapter for the clutch line. And then now I gotta take that slave out, which is like 2 Allen keys that I have. And then I'll take that slave out and put the new one. Then I'll connect the 2 lines together and we should be good to go. Little update for you guys. I already got this side done already. This camera can focus, but yeah, that side is finished. I got it tucked going down there. I'm gonna put zip ties, tuck it down there. It's gonna come out through here. This is not lined up yet, just set there for now. And then we gotta put the new slave. Still gotta take the old slave out and then put the new one in. I'm done. Alright, so I got the old one out. Old corny OEM, new K-tune. Hopefully it works. We will see. So sadly it's not gonna fit. Like I said, I'll just, how you say it? Oh, this whole build is Frankenstein because my clutch master cylinder, it's from a K series because it's a custom CMC. And then I was hoping that the K series one will fit for this car, but it's not because the shape. As you can see, it's different. So it's not gonna work, sadly. Damn. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab one of these fittings. We're gonna put it in here, twist it on, and connect our new line. And hopefully, just with the new upgraded stainless steel line, it's gonna help my clutch pedal be better. Alright, so now that we got the slave connected, bolted up, we're gonna connect this line to there, and then like so, like that. You guys can see, twist it on, and then we're good to go. So I gotta show you guys, like this is like a couple days later. I've been having issues with the K-tune clutch line. I ended up stripping one of the sides. I had to buy another one. So yeah, the clutch line is on now. It works good. It works better than stock. As in, like, I don't grind on like reverse. I was grinding on reverse like non-stop a lot. Now it's not grinding as much. I'm driving the car now. It feels way better too. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the line in a second. I'm driving to my mom's house right now. So once I get there and park, I'm gonna show you guys how I got the line, how I got it routed, and then yeah, we go from there. So basically, this is how I got it routed. I got some light now. See, it's down there. It's on the stock slave. It's up there for now. I need to get a freaking a clip to clip it to the firewall. Goes all the way underneath all this wiring into there, into that right there. Let's see if I can get it in there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's in there, down there, all connected. So far, no leaks. Chilling, and it's working good so far. 60 to 130 pulls, man. I think you're also slow.